How to remove parental controls in Epic Games. Hi everyone, welcome to this Epic Game tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can remove parental controls in Epic Game. So kindly watch through to the end. The first step is to log in into your Epic Games account either through the launcher or through the Chrome browser. Whichever one, just ensure you are logged in. Once you're logged in, this is how the home page looks like, the stores page where you can get as many games as you want, some for free, while some you would have to pay. Now, once you've seen all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see this, just click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you will see a menu displaying options such as My Achievement, Epic Rewards, Epic Wallet, Coupons, Accounts. You just go ahead and click on Account. Once you click on Account, the account page will load, but wait patiently for it to load. Once it has loaded, this is how the account settings page looks like. On this page, you would see account information, right? Your ID, your display name, etc. And the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu as well, display options like email preferences, payment, management, transactions, Epic Reward. Scroll down until you can see parental controls. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on parental controls, we take it to the parental controls page. On this page, you'll be asked to input your PIN. Of course, you can just go ahead and do that. And then once you're done, click on confirm. And then once you are confirmed, this is the page. So to turn off or to remove parental controls, you have to turn off each of the section of the controls. So the first section here is Epic Games payments. All right, that's the first one here, Epic Games payment. So if yours is turned on this way, just ensure you turned it off. Once you turn it off, your child will be able to complete payments without a pin. And here as well, you can also edit these settings to ensure that your child can do whatever it wants or it wants without having to ask for your permission. And then you move to social permissions. Yeah, yours automatically will be turned on this way, so you can just go ahead and turn it off. I've turned mine off already. So yeah, as well, you can also edit this and the Epic text permission as well. And then you move to email preferences. You can decide to subscribe or unsubscribe. And then finally, the fortnight settings. In these settings, you can edit this to also make sure that you do not need to enter a pin, so that your all contacts in Fortnite will be available to your child. And then you can just go ahead and put this off too. And just like that, the parental controls will be removed. It is that simple, all right? So go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.